Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This gets you into the browser controls immediately. Once done, click the three-dot menu, choose Settings, and use the search box to type Proxy so you land on the right area fast. You need admin rights in case the system asks, so make sure you saved any open documents. This first step ensures you access Chrome's network options without delay and sets up the environment for disabling proxies or VPNs. Next, you go deeper and disable the system proxy that Chrome relies on. This is the key middle step. Once in System, select Open your computer's proxy settings. On Windows, toggle off Use a proxy server. On Mac OS, switch off any manual proxy entries or set to off. If your VPN was an extension, make sure to open Extensions and disable or remove it, because Chrome extensions can override system settings. Take a breath. This step removes the usual layers that route your traffic. To finish, restart Chrome and verify your IP with a trusted check to confirm the proxy or VPN is no longer active. This proves the change took effect. If you must re-enable a VPN later, use the official app or provider, not sketchy extensions, because those can persist. If things go wrong, clear Chrome's cache, reboot your computer, and inspect system network adapters for leftover proxy entries. These three actions usually resolve stubborn routing issues and get you back to a normal connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.